Hey guys, Christos here and welcome back for another video, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the most important things that you need to understand when starting your Amazon FBA business, and that is the Amazon Best Sellers Rank, also known as Sales Rank. I'm going to be talking about what is Sales Rank, how you can use Sales Rank to help you analyze a product and find out whether it's a good buy or not, and then I'm finally going to be talking about some third-party tools which can help you even further along in understanding the sales rank and whether a product is going to sell. So let's get straight into the video, and let's just start off by explaining what sales rank is. Okay, so sales rank is basically just an indication as to how often a product is selling on Amazon. For example, if a product is sales rank number 1, then that is a very high indicator that that product is going to be selling very often. What happens from there is if that product wasn't to sell, the sales rank would slowly increase, and then for every single sale that it makes, it would have a massive drop in its sales rank. As simple as that sounds, there are a lot more other factors to sales rank. If a product does not have a sales rank, I'll put a screenshot up here of an example, then that product has never ever sold on Amazon. If it does have a sales rank, then that means that that product has sold at least once. If a product does not sell on Amazon, the sales rank will slowly increase, so it will keep getting higher and higher until the point where it sells, and then it will drop, and then if it doesn't sell again, and it will keep just going higher and higher, and so on and so forth. So the longer the product doesn't sell, the higher the sales rank gets. The more often the product sells, the lower the sales rank gets. Each product that is listed onto Amazon is put into its own respected category. For example, you'll have books, you'll have toys and games, you'll have outdoors, you'll have sports, PC and video games, and so on. And each of those categories have their own specified sales ranks. For example, number 1 in toys and games is not going to be the same as number 1 in books. So if you find a product that is sales rank 50, that is sales rank 50 for that category, not the whole of the Amazon catalog. This is really important when it comes to sourcing your product. For example, most Amazon sellers have a specific criteria when it comes to sourcing their products. Mine personally is to aim at the top 1 or 2% for each category, and that will obviously vary depending on how many products are in each category. For example, if you're looking at a book that is 500,000 rank in books, then that's going to be in the top 1% of the books category. However, if you find a toy that is top 500,000%, then that is not going to be in the top 1% of the toys category, which would be a little bit of an indication that that toy might not sell as fast as the book that you're finding. So it's very, very important to understand how many products are in a category, what is the top 1% of each category, and so on. What I have actually got is a sales rank chart. What I will do is I will leave a link in the description to my Facebook group. Click on that at the end of the video. That will take you to the Facebook group, and I have posted a picture of that sales rank chart which has got every single category and the top 1, 2, 5 and 10% numbers of that category. So it's a really good chart, and it's a good one to just have saved on your phone when you're outsourcing. So one of the main things that beginners make mistakes with when it comes to analyzing a product and looking at the sales rank is that they forget that the sales rank is just it's like a snapshot of how well the product is selling on that day. For example, you could find a product that is sales rank 500,000 and the cost of the product, say it's a book, the cost of the book is £90. People may look at that and think, right, it's sales rank 500,000, but it's £90, so I'm going to be getting at least £60–70 profit from this book. It's an amazing buy. But what they do not understand is that it may have gone all the way up to 500,000 because no one is willing to prepare or prepared to buy that book at £90. So luckily we have some really good third-party tools that we can go into, and we can actually see the sales rank history, we can see the average sales rank, and lots of other features. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on my computer. I've got two pieces of software which I use on a daily basis. I'm going to share both of them with you. One of them is completely free and one of them is a paid service. So yeah, let me jump around on the computer and give you a demo of both of them and show you how to analyze a sales rank history. Okay, so the first piece of software which I'm going to talk about is Helium 10. Helium 10 is basically a Chrome extension. It is completely free and it plugs into your Amazon account. So what you can see here is the Helium 10 plugin, and what this is here is a sales rank graph. We are using the Hasbro Bop It as an example. I've used this plenty of times in videos before, and this is currently sales rank 2,782 in electronic toys. So as you can see here, if you were paying attention earlier in the video, I was saying that the longer a product sells, the higher the sales rank goes. And what we have here is a red line in this chart, and then we have a blue line. The blue line indicates the sales price and the red line indicates the sales rank. So as you can see here, on the 13th of the 5th, 19, the sales rank is slowly going up over these days as it's not selling, and then as we get to the 22nd, we make a sale, and we can tell it's made a sale by the dramatic drop in the sales rank chart. So then again, it gradually increases all the way up until the 6th of June, where we make another sale and the sales rank drops. So this is a really good plugin. It's completely free. I will leave a link in the description to take you to the Chrome store. The only setbacks of this is that you can only use this on a computer. The alternative to this is Keeper. Keeper is now a paid service. I believe it is $17 or £15 a month. And basically what that allows you to do is they have their own website, and they'll be able to, all you'll be able to do is type in a ASIN into the Keeper website, and then you will get something very, very much the same as this. However, the benefits of that is that you can then take that out on your phone. But as a free starter, if you want to do some product research at home, Helium 10 is a very, very good starting place. It does have many other features, but today we're just talking about sales rank. So that is Helium 10. So the next piece of software is also another Chrome extension plugin, and this one is the paid service, and it's called BuyBot Pro. I actually have a full video giving a demo on BuyBot Pro, because there's plenty more other features than the feature I'm just going to show you on BuyBot Pro here. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the top of the video to go to that if you were interested in that. But basically BuyBot Pro, all we really focus on when it comes to sales rank is these two figures here. And what that tells you is, firstly it'll tell you what percentage sales rank that product is. So in this case it is in the top 2.17%. And what's really good about BuyBot Pro is that it has the bestseller rank predictor, which is basically almost like an average sales rank. So this sales rank is predicted to actually improve and go into the top 1.81% bestseller rank for that category. So basically BuyBot Pro has that visual indication that tells you whereabouts in that category your bestseller rank sits. Like I said, it does have obviously many other features, but one more feature I did want to just bring up is that they have their own version of a sales rank chart. And if you were to click on this thing here, you will then see something that is very similar looking to this down here. As you can see, the sales rank is growing, and then as we made a sale, it drops, and then it grows and grows, and then it drops every sale. So very similar to the Helium 10 chart, but it's all built into the BuyBot Pro. So if BuyBot Pro was something you were interested in buying, I will leave a link in the description to that. But if not, Helium 10 is more than good enough if you wanted to just start out analyzing sales ranks. Okay, so that is basically everything that you need to know about SalesRank, or at least everything you need to know to get started selling on Amazon. If I was to ask you to take two things away from this video, then number one would be to remember that SalesRank is basically just a snapshot of how well that product is selling at the time that you scanned it. And number two would be that every single product is put into a category, and every single category has a different sales rank. For example, if you are scanning a product that is sales rank 100,000 in books, then that is going to be performing a lot differently to a product that is 100,000 rank in toys. So two really important things to remember, and if you take those two things, then you should be absolutely fine in understanding sales rank. So hope you liked the video. Once again, if you did have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment below. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Cheers.